Okay, I'm back in the shop today. It's an evening after work. I don't have a lot of time. Got some other things I got to take care of, but I just wanted to go over real quick. I got some new things in. I did get some additional rigid tap holders for two of the sizes that I didn't have. Finally got those in. And I also got a huge giant box of soft jaws. Most of these I've kind of half and half on making these myself and just buying some. Generally it's actually cheaper to buy some. These are new. These are from a company called Phasic Tooling Components. Relatively inexpensive. I guess they are a vendor on eBay. And I basically got 20 jaws or 10 sets. Relatively inexpensive. I'm going to try these out on the new Curt and we'll see how they fit. They look really good just looking at them through the bag. But we'll take off these steel jaws off the Curt and put these on. One tip I'll give you on these vices, I'm always usually wearing these gloves. These are the, I think I get these at Walmart. I think they're Viper gloves, but they're a lot tougher than your normal gloves. But one cool thing about keeping some rubber latex gloves is they'll actually stick to these bolts and they're a little bit easier to get out. Because basically all you have to do is loosen them. And the rubber will just help it grip. That's all the bolts. I'm just going to grab something real quick, do a wipe down. Not too bad. And these are just the stock jaws that came on the Curt. Okay, so we've got our old jaws off. Just for comparison, these are the hardened jaws and these are the soft jaws. Obviously the soft jaws are going to be thicker so that you have more material to mill against. Just going to give you a comparison. That should be fairly lined up there. We're just going to pop them on the vise here and see how they fit. Not bad. Okay, so basically all I need to do is bolt these down. Usually what I'll do is I'll actually come in and I'll actually face this. On this first set, these are more likely just going to be a stepped jaw pattern, and it's probably going to be round. I'm still making these, so I'll basically make a round pattern to actually hold this. If I can fit it in, I'm actually going to try to do a pattern of two of these side by side. We'll see how that goes. Okay, not bad alignment. As most soft jaws are, especially that are, I guess, mass produced, we've got just a little bit of misalignment between the two jaws, but that really doesn't matter. You can machine those down. There's enough there where if you wanted to fix them, you could. But typically we're using this top surface. So top surface wise, they're almost identical, and basically I'll face and actually put the pattern that I need in the top of those soft jaws. That saved me the time from having to cut material, get material. I actually calculated up, it's actually cheaper to buy them pre-made than it is to basically make them yourself. So just something to keep in mind if time's important to you. Okay, we've basically whipped up a quick program. Basically do a facing operation. It's going to come in with a 1/4 inch end mill and basically cut flats. I decided not to do the two on the vise jaws, because if I did that I would always have to put 2 pieces in the jaw, and it was really close. I didn't want to have any issues with it. So these will just have one, and it'll also have a step. So for really wide parts, it'll work for a square part or these 3-inch rounds. Here we go. Okay, there's the finished jaws. I'm going to take a little bit closer look at them, but they fit perfect. That's going to not move in there at all, and it'll be a lot easier to fixture up and repeatedly work with this 3-inch round material. Okay, I just kind of wanted to give you a visual indication here. There's basically no gap. The part fits great, and that's just not coming off there, folks. You'd have to do some really rough machining to get that out of that hold. And basically what I'm going to use this for, in a prior video, I was making these hex, basically nut drivers for a Dodge Cummins pickup, and this actually moved in the, I had a V-block or something in there, and this actually ended up moving. So I've got this there now, and I'll be able to make these without slipping or having the workpiece come out from underneath the, come out of the vise. Anyway, if you're wondering, basically I'll put some of this stuff up on Patreon as far as design files, and basically the way that I did it is I modeled these two jaws up together, and basically did a circle, and then I ended up actually doing a mirror pattern for the cut on the circle. I also did leave this step in here. That'll enable me, if I happen to have these jaws in and I've got something that's wider than this this divot here, I should still be able to use these step jaws. I hope you like the videos. Thanks for watching, and thanks for all the folks that have commented on the videos. That really helps out. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.